everyone. So if you are also the one that is facing the CapCut watermark at the end of each video, then this video is for you, as I will show you that how you can remove this watermark. As you can see that if I just click over here and then click split, I can delete the last part, but still there is the watermark at the very end of the video. So in this video I will show you that how you can remove this watermark. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So in order to remove the watermark from the last part of your video, we need to go to the setting of CapCut first. So as you are on the home page of the CapCut, you can see there are three options over here. We need to click on the setting button over here. Just click on this one, and now you can see that the second option is add default endings. So at the moment this option is enabled, so we need to disable this option. So just click on this one and now click on keep, click on discard, and now go back again. And now let me show you that if the watermark is still there or not. So again, let me just click on new project, just open any of the video and click add and go to the very end of the video, and now you can see that there is no watermark at the end of the video. So that's how you can remove the watermark from your CapCut videos. So if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to give this video a thumb up. It will help me a lot on this platform. See you in the next video.